Welcome to Review Lab. The best journal for girls 8 to 10 is probably one of the most thoughtful and engaging gifts you can give to a young lady embarking on the exciting journey of self-discovery and personal growth, offering a private sanctuary for her thoughts, dreams, and daily experiences, and fostering creativity and emotional expression in a safe and encouraging space. Number 5. Horizon Group USA Custom Dream Journal. Unleash your creativity and design a journal that's uniquely yours. This spiral-bound notebook is perfect for capturing your daily thoughts, cherished memories, and future aspirations. Make each page a reflection of your personality. With a variety of stickers, frames, and die-cut shapes, you can truly make it all about you. Practice makes perfect. Use this journal to hone your creative writing, improve your spelling, and perfect your handwriting and grammar. Writing down your goals and dreams can make them a reality. This journal is your space to explore self-expression and creativity to make your dreams come true. It's more than just a notebook, it's a canvas for your life. Start creating your personalized dream journal today and let your imagination soar. What we like. This journal is perfect for young writers looking to improve their skills. It comes with plenty of pages and fun stickers to make writing more engaging. If you are looking for a way to encourage creative writing and practice handwriting, this is a great choice. What people say. It has fun accessories and is well made. The pages aren't very thick like other sets, but she enjoys the size of the book as it's not too big and can fit in her backpack no problem. It looks so great in person and it's packaged very well. Number 4. Outus Sequin Girls Journal Valentine's Gift Set. Introducing a magical journal set designed for fun and creativity. It's perfect for capturing thoughts, dreams, and adventures. Watch the colors transform with just a touch. These glittering sequins offer a delightful sensory experience and endless fun. This set includes a lined notebook, perfect for writing and drawing, along with multicolor gel pens. You'll have everything you need to get started. Use it as a diary, scrapbook, or travel journal. It's a versatile space for all your ideas, plans, and memories. Surprise your favorite girl with this thoughtful and exciting gift. It's sure to bring smiles and hours of enjoyment. Crafted with quality paper and securely attached sequins, this journal is built to last. Enjoy long-lasting creativity and fun. What we like. This notebook offers a fun, tactile experience with its reversible sequins that change color. It also comes with multicolored gel pens, making it a complete package for creative expression. If you like interactive and visually stimulating stationery, this is the perfect gift for a girl who enjoys doodling and keeping secrets. What people say. She can't stop playing with the cover as well when she needs to fidget. The colors are so cute and the pens work great. This is very sparkly. The pages are quality and get lots of compliments. Kids love the glitter. Number 3. OIHEW DIY Journal Kit for Teen Girls. Discover a world of artistic expression with this all-in-one DIY journal kit. It's packed with everything you need to make your journal uniquely yours. Inside this beautiful gift box, you'll find notebooks, pens, stickers, and so much more. All designed to help you create something special. Record your thoughts, dreams, and memories in these high-quality notebooks. Personalize each page with the included accessories to make it truly your own. This set is designed for teens and tweens to express themselves freely. Fill the blank pages with drawings, quotes, and reflections. It's a fun way to explore your artistic side. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This journal set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a thoughtful present that encourages creativity and self-expression. This isn't just a notebook, it's a tool for cognitive development and creativity. It's a fun and engaging way for young crafters to showcase their talents. What we like. This is a comprehensive DIY journal kit packed with a variety of accessories for ultimate personalization. It includes 2 notebooks, stickers, glitter tape, and much more, offering endless creative possibilities. If you're looking for a gift that encourages crafting and self-expression for a teen or tween, this all-in-one set is ideal. What people say. Quality and quantity of items included are definitely worth the price. Very cute and engaging way for young girls to start journaling. She loved everything about it. She's 8, so it was pretty perfect for someone her age. Number 2. Love, Mom and Me, Guided Mother and Daughter Journal. Discover simple and meaningful ways to deepen your connection. This journal is designed to help you stay close, no matter the distance. Create lasting memories together with prompts and questions tailored for mothers and daughters. It's a unique way to share your thoughts and feelings. Explore your relationship through guided entries and shared experiences. It provides a gentle framework for open and honest communication. Capture the essence of your relationship and celebrate the special bond you share. This journal is a keepsake for years to come. Make time for each other and nurture your connection with this beautiful guided journal. It's the perfect way to stay in touch and grow together. What we like. This guided journal is specifically designed to foster a deeper connection between mothers and daughters. It offers simple prompts to encourage meaningful conversations and shared memories. If you are looking to strengthen your bond and create lasting memories with your daughter, this journal is a wonderful tool. What people say. The prompts are fun, thoughtful, and perfect for sparking meaningful conversations. I love that it gives us space to share memories, compare perspectives, and be creative. Pages are easy to complete for my 4th grader and me. Some are for drawings, others are answering questions and writing. She mixes up the format of the pages, keeping it interesting. You can either write or draw or place photos in frames. The prompts are simple and well thought out and age appropriate. Number 1. Unicorn Journal and Sketchbook for Girls. Unleash your creativity with this magical unicorn journal and sketchbook. It's the perfect companion for young artists and writers. Specially designed for girls, this notebook features a fun and enchanting unicorn theme. It's sure to spark imagination. Inside, you'll find a mix of lined and blank pages. This versatility makes it ideal for both writing and drawing. Whether you're journaling your thoughts, doodling your dreams, or sketching your next masterpiece, this book has you covered. Its convenient composition size makes it easy to carry wherever inspiration strikes. Take it to school, home, or on adventures. Use it for notes, sketches, or simply to capture every fleeting idea. This journal is ready to hold all your precious memories and creations. What we like. This journal features a delightful unicorn theme, appealing to young imaginations. It offers both lined and blank pages, making it versatile for writing, drawing, and doodling. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys a mix of writing and sketching, this notebook is a perfect companion for their creative adventures. What people say. The journal has a beautiful and sturdy cover that feels nice to the touch. It includes a variety of prompts and activities that encourage creativity and self-expression. The paper quality is excellent, with no bleed-through from pens or markers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.